Yeah, Daddy's bringing a present out. Come on out here. Come on out. Yeah, here he's bringing it. This is from Grandma Sharon. Yeah. Oh, can you put it against this thing? Yeah, then I can get her, hopefully get her face. What is it, Lila? What is it? Do you know what it is?
Here.
Thank you. Thank you. What is it? Do you know what this is? Do you know what it is?
Open.
It's a big kitchen. Oopsie. It's a big kitchen.
Yeah. Here's the kitchen. Here's the stove. Look.
Oh, looky.
Ding.
Oh, boy.
And here's the oven.
Ah, look.
Yeah, you can turn these. And here's another oven. No, I
That's
think
the
that's a dishwasher.
microwave. That's the microwave oven.
And you can also adjust these. Yeah.
Look at all the
Yes.
stuff.
And here are the faucets.
Oopsie. Oh, you like it better when it's off anyway. Can double as a phony.
I forgot about that part. I don't know whether I, if,
Needs to be stuck in further or something.
or, yeah, maybe. I'm not sure.
Oh boy, this is a fun kitchen.
Now I think the world ought to be made aware of the color and
Yay!
the extensiveness of our kitchen. Probably got a few bells and whistles that our own kitchen doesn't have. Not sure. Let's see.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to start over again and get a little further away from it.
Okay.